A story that began in 1906, when Jean-Pierre Wassermann founded Castellane Société in Switzerland. His vision was simple yet revolutionary: to conserve natural resources by extending the service life of industrial equipment. Guided by this philosophy, the company became a global benchmark in maintenance and repair welding, helping industries reclaim, protect, and extend the life of their assets for over a century. "70 years ago, amidst Brazil's industrial growth and expansion, Eutectic began a journey that would help transform how the national industry tackles one of its greatest challenges: wear. Throughout these 7 decades, Eutectic Brazil has played a key role in the evolution of Brazilian industry, introducing technologies that have defined generations, from thermal spray systems to the first domestically produced rectifier, from the first Brazilian-made TIG welder to modern welding inverters, from the XHD and Endotech lines to hard-phase dispersion technologies, from arc spray to the renowned CDP wear plates, from high-performance Mechatech coatings to state-of-the-art automation solutions, such as welding cobots and laser cladding technology, always with the same purpose: to reclaim, protect, and extend the life of industrial assets. Today, we celebrate more than just 70 years of history. We celebrate the thousands of customers, partners, and employees who helped build this legacy of innovation and trust. Eutectic Castellane, 120 years of history worldwide, 70 years of history in Brazil, delivering innovation and solutions since 1906.